guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mia here. I just wanted to hop on and do my empty closet tour. So as you can see, I'm in the house, so this is now, but I'm gonna take you back to then because we got the closet system put in before we moved in. And there was a lot going on that day and I've been a raging bum. So I have clips and pictures of the process. The system we went with is the Ikea Pax system. It was affordable, way more affordable than other companies I saw, such as, California Closet Systems, even though I would have loved that, or Closets by Design, like that just wasn't in the budget. So I went on to the Ikea website and I went to their Ikea Pax planner, which is a lifesaver. It is just so helpful. You can literally, if you take the measurements like I did, I took the measurements once there was drywall in the closet, took the measurements, I plugged it into the Ikea planner, and I was able to literally build the closet, like figure out which pieces would fit, which wouldn't, and it lets you print out a template of what your closet is gonna look like before, like you don't even have to go to the store. I didn't go to the store because we were in the middle of the pandemic. This was back in August. So lifesaver. I was terrified because my measurements were really tight. Like this wouldn't have fit if, like it was a hair. I think when the TaskRabbit installed the closet system, there was literally like a 1/4 of an inch on each side. So I was spot on and super excited about it. So got it all done, paid for it. It took over a month to get delivered. So that took a while. Keep that in mind. But when it got delivered, and I'm gonna insert like a little clip of what it looked like. They delivered it into the garage at the new house. We hadn't even closed on the house yet, but the builder let us deliver it, and they delivered it to the garage, and there was like over 150 pieces. Like it was so overwhelming. I was like, oh my God, what are we gonna do? And I knew we weren't gonna put it together because that would have been a marital fight. I mean, there's just no way. I'm handy, but all them pieces, me and my hubby would have been arguing all night long and nothing would have been put together. So we hired a TaskRabbit to put it together. It was expensive. That man took 9.5 hours. He didn't even take a lunch break. Like I saw him at one point eating a homemade burrito that he brought, but he didn't even take a break. So I'm gonna post little pictures and clips of him putting everything together, putting it in the closet. He was really quick. He knew what he was doing, a professional. So it came out looking really good. So I'm just gonna post clips of it since, like I said, we're in the future and now it's just a mess. So I guess I don't want to say my next video, but in a future video, because I still need to get all this stuff together, is going to be a finished closet tour. But I am putting a little clip of the empty closet tour so you can just see everything we got, the pull-out drawers, the dresser, everything we put in there. So I hope you enjoy. All right, I'm giving you a sneak peek. We hired a TaskRabbit to put our closet system together, and he just got done after 9.5 hours of work. And here it is. When we built the house, we left this room totally empty, no baseboards, no shelves. And now we have shoe shelves. So this side is gonna be the white side. And he's got shoe shelves, glass shelves for his hats. He has the double hanging up top, hanging at the bottom. We don't have a dresser anymore, so this is our dresser as well. So we both have 5 drawers apiece and these nifty little pull-outs for jewelry, watches. I have this one specifically for jewelry, sunglasses, watches. And then plenty of drawer space down here. And then this section over here, I'm gonna put my long hanging dresses right there. My pants are gonna go there. Here's a little pull-out rack for the slides and the house shoes. Shelves up top for out-of-season clothes, just more storage, I guess. And then this is my shoe side. All my heels and my tennis shoes and booties and all that stuff is gonna go over here. And then we have plenty of space. I'm gonna do something with that cord. We got plenty of space up top to add another shelf all the way around if we want to. I'm definitely adding a chandelier up there because that fluorescent is just not what's hot. Never has been, never will be. Not cool. But let me show you the best part. Oh man. Light is off. I got my little handy dandy remote and boom. So we got lights, y'all. We got lights all the way around. Let me go this way. All the way around. And this remote is so cute. It's so little. You can brighten them up. You can dim it down. And you can turn it off. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Well, that's the empty closet tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got a lot of motivation. As long as you can measure, the Ikea Pax system is for you if you're balling on a budget like I am. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.